Yeah, welcome, good morning, and I'm Franklin. I work with PeterObi Support Network.
Glad to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm the strategy team. Please can you tell our audience what you do, your name, and just anything about you?
My name is Jeffery Guterman, and I am a retired mental health counselor. I was in the field for over 30 years, and I'm retired now.
Okay, so what made you attracted to Mr. PeterObi?
Well, it was a process. Initially, I started going onto Twitter, and I met Nigerian people, and they have audio conferences called Twitter Spaces. So I started going to the Nigerian spaces, and they started going to mine. Because I was very interested in learning about international life. And then I looked at the three candidates, and all I heard was PeterObi, PeterObi, PeterObi. That's all I heard. So I looked myself at the candidates, and it was like electricity shooting through my body and through my mind. I suddenly became obedient. And I want to tell you something. I feel so privileged to be a part of the obedient community. They are the kindest, most beautiful people, and I'm very fortunate to be here tonight.
That's nice, that's nice. So what makes PeterObi stand out among other candidates?
Well, he's for the good of Nigeria. He wants to help the people. He wants to rid the nation of its rampant corruption. He wants to emphasize production and create jobs. He's an advocate for the youths and education. And I think that says everything about PeterObi.
Okay, thank you so much.